Hello everyone, and welcome to this new episode of the Expat Career and Lifestyle podcast. This is Dominika, your host, and hope you are doing great wherever you are in the world and you are enjoying this unusual summer or winter. It depends where you are exactly. And today I wanted to share with you a recording from our Businessful Cycle. In this recording, I am talking about how to make the decision and follow your path. So if you can decide if to follow your dreams or start a business or change your career path, you will find this episode useful. So listen to this episode and, like always, share your thoughts, questions, any learning points with us. And speak to you soon. So the first question, it's about making decisions. So there are many people, business entrepreneurs, or people who are thinking, expat women who are thinking to, for example, or change their career path or transition from their normal job and start a business right now in this uncertain time that we are all in. Because you can feel scared about taking those steps, changing your path, all those fears, anxieties you may experience, which is normal when you are in a career transition or deciding to follow your dreams. So how to make a decision? How to make a decision which is good for you, and how to make a decision that will have an impact on your life, on your professional and also personal life in those circumstances. So you can, for example, when it comes to changing careers or starting a business or leaving a job, so what you can do in those situations. So you can do a check, you can do emotions, let's say feeling check. So when you are thinking about changing, when you are thinking about starting a business or transitioning to your dream career, what do you feel? What are those feelings that you have? Do you, for example, feel excitement? Do you feel happiness that you are going to work on something that you have been thinking for a while? So listen to your feelings, the positive feelings, not the negative feelings. Do not take any decision from the place of negativity, from the place of having those negative feelings or emotions or anxieties or fears. Because when you are stuck in negative thinking, this is the sign for you that your level of thinking went down. And from this level, negative thinking, it's very difficult to take a decision, the right decision for yourself and for what you can do next. So wait, do not take any decision. But like having those negative feelings, this is the sign that maybe you are having those insecure thoughts. So do nothing, wait, and you will see that automatically you will start feeling better. You will start to have more positive feelings, maybe more excitement, more energy, more motivation. So you're feeling, because this is something natural, that automatically we are coming back to our natural way of being, our natural way of living, which is having this balance, which is having this innate well-being that we have in ourselves. And take decision. So listen to your feelings, what your feelings are saying to you. For example, I can say that when I was leaving my job and I was starting a business, there was a little bit of fear and not knowing exactly if this is the right thing that I was doing, but I had also this feeling of excitement and finally this sense of freedom that I will have, that I could be my own boss, that I could take decisions for myself and decide when exactly I want to work and how I want to work. Of course, I got some assignments on the side, so some temporary assignments, some temporary part-time contracts to keep income coming, because of course you need income when you are in business, and I had some savings, so those jobs were like good enough jobs for me, that those jobs like didn't take too much time. Those jobs weren't so exhausting as my normal job, but they were bringing me income, so I could focus on my business. So think about that and listen to your feelings. Listen what your feelings are telling you. Because, for example, when you have this feeling, this positive feeling, so this is the right moment to take decisions, because you can see many opportunities, new opportunities and possibilities from the positive thinking. Because when you are in the negative state, when you are in this thought storm of negative thoughts, your perspective can narrow and you can see exactly what is in front of you. So just wait, and then you will see that automatically you will come back to your normal way of being, which is having this positive attitude, positive feelings, and normal thoughts that will help you to take the decision from the right place. So this is what I am advising you when it comes to taking decisions right now, not only right now, but in any situation, and any circumstances, and any decision that you have to make right now. It can be about your personal life, your business, your relationships, your family, friendships. So listen to those feelings. Do this reality check, this feeling check with yourself. So let me know, what do you think about that? If this is helpful for you. Let me know.